Welcome to our video on the top 5 best free torrent software. We'll be discussing the best free torrent clients, comparing features and performance, to help you decide which one is best for you. So sit back and let's dive into the world of torrenting. Vuze, formerly known as Azurius, is a free, open-source BitTorrent client that is known for its advanced features and functionality. It's designed to be a feature-rich alternative to other popular clients such as uTorrent and BitTorrent. Vuze has a built-in media player, support for multiple languages, and a built-in search feature that allows users to find and download content easily. It also offers advanced features such as remote control, encryption, and a torrent creation tool. Vuze also offers a feature called Vuze Leap, which is a lightweight version of the client. It's a great option for those who are looking for a feature-rich and advanced torrent client. Deluge is a free, open-source torrent client renowned for its portable architecture, multilingual support, integrated search, and remote control. Additionally, it supports plugins, enabling users to alter and increase the client's capabilities. It also includes a function for scheduling downloads, which enables users to choose the time and date at which torrents should begin and end downloading. Deluge also provides a web interface that customers may use from any device linked to the same network to manage and control their torrents. For those seeking a lightweight, configurable torrent client with cutting-edge capabilities, it's a fantastic choice. BitTorrent is one of the most widely used torrent clients available. It's a proprietary software that is known for its simple interface, reliable performance, and additional features such as streaming, remote control, and support for multiple languages. BitTorrent also has a built-in search feature that allows users to find and download content easily. It also has a feature called BitTorrent Now that allows users to stream content directly to their devices. BitTorrent is a great option for those who are looking for a simple and reliable torrent client with additional features. uTorrent is a well-liked torrent client that is renowned for its lightweight construction, quick download times, and simple user interface. Developed by BitTorrent Incorporated, it is a proprietary program. Additionally, it features an integrated search feature that makes it simple for users to locate and download information, and it also gives them the option to prioritize which downloads should be done first. It is also multilingual and available to a variety of people thanks to this feature. For those seeking a torrent client that is quick, lightweight, easy to use, and has extra features, uTorrent is a fantastic choice. Number 1 overall other torrent client is qBittorrent. I recommend this client. qBittorrent is a popular torrent client that is open source, free, and noted for its quick download times, sophisticated features, and user-friendly interface. In contrast to other clients like uTorrent and Vuze, it is intended to be more compact. A sequential download function in qBittorrent enables you to play a file as it's downloading, and it supports many languages. It also includes an integrated search feature. A torrent generating tool, remote control, and other sophisticated capabilities are also available. For those seeking an intuitive and feature-rich substitute for other well-known torrent clients, it's a fantastic choice. And that's a wrap for our video on the top 5 best free torrent software. We hope you found it informative and entertaining. Remember to always use a VPN when downloading files via torrents to protect your privacy and avoid any potential legal issues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and fun videos like this one. Happy torrenting! Check it out down in the description below or in the pinned comment, you'll have an intriguing information there. If you want me to make more movies about something that interests you, please write that in the comments.